Bitcoin crashes below $62,000 as altcoins take massive beating. ZK Sync mainnet V24 upgrade delayed. Over 20% of large cap crypto have major risk of token unlocks. China busts $295 million underground bank that used crypto to convert foreign currencies. Turkey advances crypto regulations. Hello and welcome to 3.0 TV. I am Ruchi Sharma. Bitcoin experienced a 3.5% drop in price while most major altcoins expressed worse losses. The cryptocurrency market cap has been poorly treated, with most coins trading well in the red. Ethereum, the largest cryptocurrency, was trading at $2,900, down 0.31% in the last 24 hours. Altcoins like BCH, AVAX, and UNI also experienced significant losses. Theta Network and Thor Chain experienced the most losses, while Chili and Akash Network managed to recover. Vishakha Thakur joins us to tell us how the global cryptocurrency market is performing today.
IC15 index of cryptocurrencies was trading up by 3% at 78,800 points. According to Sentiment's data, Bitcoin network activity is approaching historic lows due to a downtrend in transaction volume, daily active addresses, and whale transaction count. Interestingly, transaction volume on the Bitcoin blockchain is falling to its lowest in the past decade, while the number of Bitcoin or daily active addresses has reached its lowest point since Jan 2019. Whale activity has also slowed down, with the number of whale transactions exceeding $100,000, falling to its lowest point since the end of 2018. Wells Fargo, one of the prominent banking institutions in the United States, has revealed its foray into the world of cryptocurrencies through investments in various Bitcoin ETFs. According to the filing, Wells Fargo possesses shares of Grayscale's GBTC Spot Bitcoin ETF, providing the bank with exposure to the digital asset. Additionally, the document indicates that Wells Fargo has also invested in ProShares Bitcoin Strategy ETF. Furthermore, in her keynote speech at the Milken Global Institute conference in Beverly Hills, Franklin Templeton's president and CEO Jenny Johnson discussed the potential of blockchain technology in the investment industry. She predicted that blockchain would streamline processes and reduce operational costs, highlighting the efficiency gains and cost savings of distributed ledger technology. Moreover, Johnson also envisioned blockchain's potential to universalize investment opportunities, allowing retail investors to participate in new asset classes like non-fungible tokens. Despite regulatory challenges and risks, prudent investment strategies and active management are crucial. The global crypto market cap was at $2.23 trillion mark, decreasing 1.3% in the last 24 hours. The total trading volume increased by 20% to $45 billion. In a separate news, the Runes protocol, a fungible token standard that launched on the Bitcoin blockchain, has lost its momentum 3 weeks after dominating the crypto sector after the last Bitcoin halving in April 2024. While Runes generated over $135 million in transaction fees in its first week. However, the hype surrounding Bitcoin-based protocol has faded since the first week of trading, with all main growth metrics dropping significantly. Moving on, CoinMENA, a UAE and Bahrain-regulated crypto broker, has added Telegram's The Open Network to its platform, making it first regional platform to enable USDT withdrawals via the Tron network. Tron joins Ethereum's ERC20 and Tron's TRC20 as the third blockchain available to CoinMENA users for sending USDT. Going forward, Emirates NBD has partnered with Chainalysis, a blockchain data platform, to develop innovative financial products and services. The partnership demonstrates Emirates NBD's commitment to regulatory compliance in the digital finance landscape. US stock futures traded mixed as market participants focused on key inflation data later this week. Futures tied to the S&P 500 rose 0.1%, while Nasdaq 100 futures climbed 0.21%. Dow Jones Industrial Average futures traded higher by 0.01%. Bitcoin was trading at $63,100, up by 3.4%. Ethereum, the second largest crypto, was up by 2.3%, trading at $2,980. On my left, BNB was up by 1.3% to trade at $596. Next on the list, we have Solana Sol. It was up 1.3% and was trading at $146. Cardano's ADA token was up by 3% to trade at $0.45. Avalanche AVAX was trading at $33.7, higher by 1%. Polygon Matic was trading up by 0.5% to trade at $0.67. Talking about Doge, the popular meme coin, was trading up by 3% at $0.14, and Shiba Inu was trading up by 6%. Well, Ripple's XRP token traded at $0.56, up by 0.2%, and Polkadot was up by 1.6% to trade at $6.7.
Thank you, Vishakha, for in-depth analysis of the global cryptocurrency market. And now back to the headlines. zk-Sync developers have announced that the zk-Sync Mainnet V24 upgrade will be postponed until late next week to ensure stability evaluation. The team has identified and addressed issues plaguing the testnet, including instability with the ETH_sender service, which disrupted L1 commit block submissions for approximately 24 hours due to differences in the gas market for block pricing on Sepola. Additionally, delays in withdrawals due to a failure to submit proofs for over 2 days were caused by discrepancies between the in-circuit VM and the out-of-circuit VM. These ongoing investigations could potentially influence the planned mainnet V24 release scheduled for next Monday. Progress updates on the investigation were provided around 3 a.m. yesterday, with assurance that updates would continue to be released the following day. zk-Sync developers remained committed to addressing issues thoroughly before proceeding with the mainnet V24 upgrade, and users are advised to stay tuned for further updates. The development team aims to provide users with timely and transparent information regarding the status of the zk-Sync Sepolia testnet network and the mainnet V24 upgrade. A study on the top 300 cryptocurrencies by CoinGecko on the basis of market capitalization reveals that over 20% of these coins have a large portion of their tokens yet to be unlocked. The analysis, based on data from CoinGecko, focuses on the market cap to fully diluted valuation ratio, excluding stablecoins and wrapped assets. Low-float cryptocurrencies account for 21.3% of these top 300 coins, suggesting a large upcoming supply set to enter the market. Altcoin has the lowest ratio at 0.02, followed by Chile at 0.06, Darknet at 0.07, and Saga at 0.09. These cryptocurrencies, all launched in either 2023 or 2024, represent the newer additions to the market. This trend of low float is predominantly seen in cryptocurrencies introduced in the last 4 years, with 54 out of 64 low float large cap cryptocurrencies launched during this period. The market faces immediate impact from scheduled tokens unlocks, such as Aptos releasing 11.31 million APT tokens worth nearly $100 million and Arbitrum unlocking 92.65 million ARB tokens worth over $96 million. China has arrested 6 suspects in northeast China's Jilin province who allegedly used cryptocurrency to conduct currency exchange operations between the Chinese yuan and the South Korean won, involving at least 2.14 billion yuan, which is worth approximately $295.8 million. The suspect allegedly exploited features of cryptocurrency such as anonymity in transactions and decentralization to conduct foreign currency exchange operations illegally. The police found that the criminal group used domestic accounts to receive and transfer funds and conducted over-the-counter cryptocurrency transactions. They allegedly assisted companies in currency exchanges between the Chinese yuan and the South Korean won. China has implemented tight capital control policies over the years, leading some to use cryptocurrency to circumvent these rules. Turkey is set to introduce crypto regulations to improve consumer protection and global standards. The draft law prepared by the AK party aims to reduce risk associated with crypto trading and bring platforms under the control of the Capital Markets Board. The regulations will also cover how platforms store customer cash and the penalties for breaking rules. Turkey, along with Nigeria, leads in terms of crypto adoption among 56 countries surveyed as of February 2024, with 47% of internet users reporting owning or using cryptocurrencies. Economic hardships like high inflation, weak currencies, and limited bank access are driving Turks to turn to crypto as a hedge against inflation and currency devaluation, and as a mean to gain greater financial accessibility through the global crypto market. Now let's go to Shikha Singh to get an update of the buzzing coins of the day.
Let us have a look at the buzzing crypto watch list for today and the week ahead. First on the list, we have Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu's weekly burn rate of SHIB tokens has risen by 338.7% in the last 7 days, with 200 million tokens incarnated. This indicates Shiba Inu's commitment to reducing its token supply and enhancing its long-term value proposition. Token burning, a common practice in the cryptocurrency space, involves permanently removing a certain number of tokens from circulation. Shiba Inu has taken the strategy to heart with the community's dedicated efforts, resulting in a 338% jump in the weekly burn rate. However, the daily burn rate has decreased by 27.27%, with only 30 million tokens burned in the last 24 hours. On a 7-day basis, Shiba Inu experienced 225% spike in large holder inflows, indicating the community's focus on sustaining momentum and driving growth initiatives. Next on the list, we have Big Time. Big Time has launched a mid-round point storm, a weekend event, which will allow players to earn double points and increase their ranks. The event ends on May 13, 2024, which is today, and is part of the game's VIP program, which rewards community members based on tokens held. The VIP program consists of tiers, with the common tier requiring 25,000 tokens and the legendary tier costing 200,000 tokens. The game is currently in closed alpha phases, restricted to those holding passes and a space NFT. Next on the list, we have Bitcoin. Bitcoin long-term holders activated 2 dormant wallets, moving 1,000 Bitcoin worth $60 million, which remained inactive for 10.7 years, a whole decade since September 2013. The short interval between each receiving and spending transaction suggests that both 10-year Bitcoin wallets belong to the same entity, suggesting simple wallet management, or the whale intends to sell the 1,000 Bitcoin. Data from Sentiment also showed that increased dormant whale activity usually correlates with Bitcoin's price top formation, but there is currently a low 5-year dormant whale activity in the Bitcoin network. Next on the list, we have Galaxy Fox. Galaxy Fox, also known as G-Fox, a recently launched meme coin, has raised over $6 million in pre-sale, and it is experiencing a 22% price surge ahead of its Web3 game launch. The game, Web3 Endless Runner game, aims to break the mold of meme coins by incorporating blockchain technology. Players earn G-Fox based on their performance, with the top 20% receiving rewards for exchanging tokens. The game also features unique NFT assets for temporary attributes, boosts, and potential financial rewards. The game was launched on May 11th. Next on the list, we have USDT. The US government is intensifying its investigation into Tether, the world's leading stablecoin issuer, amid concerns about its transparency and stability. Tether faces increased scrutiny due to allegations that it may not have adequately backed its tokens with real-world dollar reserves, raising questions about its transparency and stability. Additionally, allegations suggest sanctioned nations could have to use a Tether to circumvent US economic sanctions. Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse believes that the investigation could have significant implications for the future of stablecoins and the cryptocurrency environment, potentially fostering stability but stifling innovation and growth.
Well, that's all in today's special bulletin. This is Ruchi Sharma signing off. For more on such updates and market news, please log on to our website www.3versetv.io or scan the QR code.